today we're playing Don't Press the Button. But in this game, it's simple. Just do what the title says. Don't press the button. But there is three buttons that you can press, and I want you to press them. It's that like button, sub button, and bell button. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into the game, I mean. Whee! Wait, current stages? What does that mean? Does that count how many stages I've done? Oh wait, no. That means how many, things there are. That volume's too high. Speedrun! I don't wanna copyright claim because on one of my videos I've done that and I didn't know because I haven't checked on that video in a long time. So I'm just gonna like hum the music. Also, if you don't know this music, it's Dream Manhunt. Let's go. World's world record. Alright, let's do this. Red. Okay, no. Why are there so many red? Come on, give me that. No, I didn't catch it. Okay, jumping is really good. Okay, get this. Alright, I'm doing good so far. Okay, do this. Alright, jumping is really good. Jumping will help you a lot. Alright, put this there. Let's go, I won! 10 more coins for winning. Let's go. Okay, can I press? Get ready. Wait, what? What? Why am I not there? Wait, can I at least... Does it pass through walls? Oh! I've just broken the game. I just broke the game, guys. I just broke the game. Now I can kill everyone who's here. Pshing. Oh, I love this glitch. Oh, this has to be one of my favorite glitches now. Oh, I can just eliminate people. Ah, man. Oh, wait, I won. Okay, let's go. I won because of the glitch. What? Oh no! Oh god! No! I don't like spleef. Run! Well, I kind of accidentally oofed that girl. Whatever her name is. Oh, wait! You can't jump. I thought you could jump. I didn't see the jump button. I just pressed it. Why does this look like people are making art? It looks like they're making something like Mario. Why does this actually look like Mario to me? I know that this won't look like Mario to anyone else, but this looks like Mario to me. Let me press. Get ready to sort. No, get away from me. I'm not good at this. The only thing I do is wait for everyone to attack each other. Shing. Then I just wait. No. Got him. Is this guy gonna move? Bro, this guy's running. Wait, now no. Oh, yay! Yay, we both win. I didn't actually think that we could both win. Oh god, no, 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 no. Guess what I'm humming? Hehe, get rickrolled. I can't believe I've rickrolled you guys so many times already. I rickrolled you in the last video, I rickrolled you in this video. Get ready for a rickroll in the next video. How am I still alive? I'm built different. Up. That guy's built different. He survived with me, but he still survived longer than me. I wonder how he's built. Maybe he's built made of Botanium. If you guys watched the last video, you know what I'm talking about. And Lycanium. Wait, is that the name? Never mind. Botanium. Yes, that's the button. Okay, why am I turning everything into an ore? I'm gonna stop. Oh! Let's check the shop. I checked it earlier because I wanted to see where that guy got the speed coil. Let's see. What's this? Staff of the Woodlands. Wait. You turn me on like a white switch. Get me in the picture. Look at that nice picture. Yay, I'm in the picture. Yay. Yay. Pump is in the... Oh god, no. Where is it? Is it coming? Wait, no, I know it's coming. But where is it? Oh, it's right there. Where did that come from? I didn't even see it earlier. Oh yeah, only like 2 people died. They're built different, and I mean by the opposite way. Okay, I might survive this one as well because I'm built different, not the opposite way. Like, built different by good. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Okay, my lag might kill me. Oh, woo! I'm built different. Whee! Me, my aura, my tentacles, and... Wait, what was spinning? Was that my mask or my hat? What else was spinning with my tentacles and my aura? Was that my mask or my hat? Squid Game. Midnight. Okay, that scared me. Good thing there's a yellow light so we get more time. Oh, hey. Oh. Okay, that yellow light is really useful. Okay, go. Let's go. That was so close. Snas. I mean sans. Okay, checking the shop again. Oh, hey, look. A pumpkin bucket. Wait, what am I? Oh, I'm a pumpkin. It's the bucket version of me. Oh, look, it's Beast Sugar. Yeah, it's Sugar. Yes, go subscribe to him. He's one of my favorite YouTubers, like Twice Short, his other friends. I don't know his other friends' names. Oh, God. No. Like they do videos where their vids are really funny. What I wish to do on this video is to get Beast Sugar or Twice Shorts or one of his friends to comment on this video. I'd really appreciate it if they did. Okay, we're just targeting this one guy. Alright, he's dead. That's my dream, to get one of the famous YouTubers to comment on my vid. So please, Twice Shorts or Beast Sugar, if you see this video, please comment. I'm not forcing you to. You can do it if you want, but you can also not if you want. Okay, Sans just took them both out. I need to eliminate Sans. He's... Never mind, we win! Yay! Yeah, so one of my favorite ones, for like example, one of their vids, like where they both were checking their pets, and then they said, "Oh no," at the start. So then they were doing all the security things, and then both of their pets emerged together, and then they were like, "No," at the end. Oh, you guys saw nothing. Okay. Oh, look at every. Get ready to sword fight. Hey, this isn't TDS. I'm not Gladiator. Hey, I'm not ready for this. Nobody trained me. Below hasn't even trained me. I don't want to be Gladiator. I am one with the fence. The fence of the world. Okay, I just want Sans to kill. Okay. Get him. Got him. Okay, get him. No! Well, GG. Everyone's getting smart. This is real life. I'm just kidding, guys. This is not reality. I'm kind of more bigger than that. Though I am young. I thought we were just... Okay, why are we flying? Galaxy Gap. Wait, Galaxy Gap. Yeah, so I kind of really want Twice Shorts or Beast Sugar to comment on this video, so yeah. Thanks. Wait, I went too far. A cauldron, what happens if you go in it? Wait, the cauldron? What do you mean a cauldron? Oh, cauldron. MC cauldron. Oh, it disappeared. I didn't even get to do anything. Where's the fire extinguisher? Right there. Okay, Sans got it. Snas, save us all. Yay, sign up. 101, great. You're great, 101. What was that? Oh god, no, not this one. Who called an airstrike on me? Who called an airstrike on the pumpkin man? Okay, I think this is gonna go on for a while. I'll just unpause when it's done. Alright, so that only took like... Do I seriously have to pause for this as well? So it only went longer for like, I guess, like 17 minutes. Why is everyone here? Snas. Okay, oh, I just saw that. Oh, I hope they don't land on me. Okay, why are they all spawning? Oh, did you? Oh my! Why is it crushing so many people except me? Was that Sans? Oh wait, no. Stop it, game. You're revealing my height. Just kidding. I'm seriously. I said this earlier. I'm like a little bit more taller than this. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Guys, which team am I on? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye. I'm coming. Okay, seriously, bye.